Hey everyone, time for a 2-box break of Allen Ginter 2011. This break's brought to you by blowoutcards.com. Let's get to it. I'll do this first box in this video and a second box in another video. Relic card, U.S. State Relic. Little lump in there. Let's see what it is. Oh. Oh, okay. I haven't seen any of these. It's a little. Oops. An Ohio piece out of 50. Not sure what the. It's from a piece of roller coaster. Piece of roller coaster from Ohio. Numbered to 50. Of course, comes with this white card. Alright, it's a nice one. A little different. Nothing to do with baseball. Alright, here's our first relic. Marlin Bird bat card. Here's something. Looks like a relic. Hey, this one's pretty cool. It's part of a runner's tank top. Sonia Richards. Black bordered mini. Richards Mini. Getting quite a few of these black border minis in this box, but so far 2 relic hits, 3 relic hits if you count the Ohio. This is more of a set builder set. Here's a full Richards. Whoa, what the? So this pack have this first card in reverse and it's all dinged up. Chewed up. It's weird. Seven, 8. This had a 9th card. Well, all base. Okay. Last 2 packs. Dr. Watson Mini. And then this. Oh, a set. Oh man. Okay. Well, not much in this, but that's what you expect from something like A&G. But I'm trying to get the hits for you here. But it looks like I only got these 2 relics. I don't think I saw an auto. I guess if this one counted as a relic, that's 3. Yeah, that's it for this box. I'll be busting the second box on a different video, so check that one out too. Thanks.